beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way. 'Cause my heart screams, let me carry you home.
A warm and welcoming house to return to after a demanding and exhausting day can quickly elevate someone's spirits. I spent this morning working on a few tiny areas of my house, beginning with the dining room. I bought this thing that I saw was intended to make a flower arrangement in a vase that ensures that everything stood upright. In any case, I chose to use it in this manner to bring some springtime elements to the table. There are a few things that come to mind when I think of a cozy and inviting house, the most fundamental of which is, of course, the kind of comfort that every home offers, along with a few other basics. To make it uniquely ours, we can undoubtedly add a few of our own touches here and there. Being a housewife means that you have to do a little bit of everything, which naturally results in me cleaning and organizing the kitchen drawers on a regular basis. This one accommodates all of the lids, larger bowls and pans. In fact, I organize with them in a fairly straightforward manner, which I will be showing in this video in the later segment. I had purchased some goblets for wine and summer refreshments from IKEA, and I had gotten a box from them only this morning. Unfortunately, they came out looking a little crooked, which I doubt the camera is able to capture right now, so these will have to be returned. I also have a few more that are from their latest collection, and we are totally loving these ones. These days we've been dealing with unusual weather, extremely windy, intermittent rain, and occasional sunshine. A friend of mine once mentioned that whenever she felt like she wanted to clear her head or had meaningless thoughts, she would resort to cleaning. But then I also suggested to her that she can check out BetterHelp, who are graciously sponsoring a segment of today's video as well. If you're having difficulty sleeping, trouble in a relationship, or just feeling down in the dumps, it really helps to talk. I like to use BetterHelp when I find myself overthinking or just need a different perspective in life. A lot can be improved for the better under the guidance of many amazing therapists they have. Having an open and frank conversation can simplify these things. The best part is, even if your vibe doesn't click with one therapist for whatever reason, you can easily request a new one. If you want to try it out, just go to betterhelp.com/gupshup to receive a special discount off your first month of therapy. Coming back to our daily life, H&M's old order was still lying at my entryway, and I was yet to make use of the things I had purchased from them. I was able to get some linen pillow covers that I had been admiring for a while during their latest sale. I've chosen a really calming, pastely sort of blue shade for my bedroom. Also, the old cushion, which was about a size of 40 by 60, needed to be replaced. So I got that too. These are two plugs that help connect USB cables. I found them to attach two different things in my home. One was the mini humidifier that sits perfectly in the plant corner shelf, and the other was for an entryway lamp. A humidifier, apart from helping with the plants, also has a very soothing effect in the ambience of the home.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter?
For the kitchen drawers, I simply use these stainless steel holders to organize everything, and the divider in the middle makes sure that the handles of each pan have a place to rest, so they don't interfere with the lids on the right hand side.
Suddenly you tell me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now. 'Cause what am I supposed to do if you are not the one?
I sometimes prefer to pull the curtains to create a beautiful, peaceful atmosphere inside, since the days are longer and the light remains on longer. Using blackout curtains is an easy way to significantly reduce the heat in the house during the summertime.
If I told you that I don't know where I'm going.
When I first came to Germany, I just had this one black bed sheet, which I had purchased, I believe, in Pune, God knows how many years ago. Every now and then, as I spread this one, it brings back a lot of memories and reminds me of my journey over here in Germany. Later on, we also purchased a few fitted sheets that are readily available over here, but nothing compares to our original Indian block prints. I figured that the best way to make any space cozier is to make use of soft lights. I bought this small lamp for SO's workspace, making use of a desktop riser to conceal extra cables. For dinner that evening, I had decided to make a quick pasta recipe that turns out extremely delicious. This one is a simple red sauce pasta, which means if you like tangy flavors, you will like this simple dish. Let me know if you liked the entire soothing segment at the end of the video, and hope to see you all next week.